Hello! We are Telmo
and Tula. We are the Raspberry Brothers.
Raspberry? Not raspberry, Telmo. Cooks. We are cooks.
Oh yeah, I got confused because we went to the forest today and Tula and I are going to prepare a delicious fruit salad. So I was thinking about the strawberries, the blackberries, the raspberries, and
as Telmo was saying, we are going to be making a fresh fruit salad of forest fruits.
Tula, it's better to say it like this. A delicious fruit salad of forest fruits. That way is better. We need to introduce our fruit friends the right way. They are very important because they keep us healthy, and aside from that, they're delicious.
Well, all right, you have a point. Paper and pencil, Telmo.
Oh yeah, paper and pencil. Ready?
In order to make a fruit salad of forest fruits, we are going to need strawberries,
cherries,
raspberries,
gooseberries,
blackberries,
sugar,
and oranges. Let's begin. First of all, before we do anything else, we need to wash the fruits because even though they look clean, we always need to wash them before we eat them.
I'll put them under the water so that they can soak, and later I will drain them.
First, the strawberries, which are my favorite. I love strawberries.
These strawberries are different to the big strawberries that you often find in supermarkets. If you look closely, these strawberries are much smaller, but that doesn't mean they're less delicious.
All right, the strawberries have been washed now. Now we're going to put the cherries in.
Let me tell you a little bit about where cherries come from. That way they'll taste a lot better. Cherries come from the cherry tree. The cherry tree is a very beautiful tree.
Be careful when you stick a cherry in your mouth to eat it because it has a pit. Don't eat the pits. Look at my earrings.
Tula, later on we're gonna have to eat your earring cherries.
All right, let's go get the blackberries. Oh, blackberries. My friends, be careful not to get stained by the blackberries because when they are very ripe, they stain you a lot. That doesn't scare me, Telmo.
Oh, darn it.
That doesn't scare me, Telmo.
Oh, darn it.
Wild blackberries are also very beautiful, but be careful when you pick them because they will pinch you.
Ow! The blackberries are ready. Now it's time for the gooseberries.
Gooseberries are like very small red grapes that are very beautiful. You can do many things with gooseberries. There's gooseberry syrup, gooseberry jelly, gooseberry ice cream. If you keep that up, we won't have any blackberries for the fruit salad. Go on, clean your face. And now the raspberries.
You like strawberries, but I happen to like raspberries most of all. They are very beautiful and delicious. When I'm walking in the forest and I come upon a raspberry shrub, it's like magic. Be careful not to eat too many of them at once because they will make you feel sick.
We have washed all the fruits now. We'll put all of them in a bowl and we'll mix them up well.
I'll start squeezing the oranges that our adult has already cut up for us.
All right.
I'll go squeeze the oranges.
So we can make a fruit salad that is very nice and tasty and yummy. So yummy.
It's going to be beautiful. Ba-da-pa-pum. This is ready now.
This is almost ready. Now we just need to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on it.
Put a lot on there.
No, Telmo. Fruits are already very sweet. We'll just put a few spoonfuls to make them a little bit sweeter, and that's it.
Well, I'll put the orange juice over the top so that it can blend with the sugar and the fruits of the forest will absorb it well.
And now to the fridge.
Oh, we forgot the pepper, Tula.
No, Telmo.
Come on, Tula, just a little bit won't hurt.
Telmo, if you want, when you put it on your plate, you can add some pepper, but not now. I don't like a fruit salad of forest fruits with pepper.
All right.
We need to put it in the fridge.
But to do that, we're going to need the help from our grown-up because we can't do it on our own.
Grown-up! Can you please put the fruit salad of fresh forest fruits in the fridge for us, please? We will leave the fruit salad in the fridge for 1 hour so that they're deliciously cold.
And now, let's go back over the recipe. Strawberries, cherries, raspberries, gooseberries, blackberries, 1 spoon of sugar and orange juice.
Now let's eat! This fruit salad of fresh forest fruits is delicious!
You want some?
No, thank you. Telmo, you look like a tomato.
Oh, darn it.